Hi guys, I'm Chris with the High Power Cycles, and I wanted to talk to you today about our hub motor conversion kits. Now, hub motors are great for commuters and going on street. I tell people maybe a 50-50 if you want to go street and off-road. Hub motors are a really great choice. Even in the age of mid-drives, we keep coming back to hub motors, and we're going to do a strong push in 2019 for a lot of our bikes to go back to hub motors. We have a lot of new technology with these hub motors, and they're beautiful, quiet commuters, and they get you places fast, and they're extremely fun. So the first kit we offer is a 2000 watt kit. So these motors are custom OEM by a company called Crystalite overseas, and we've been working on these motors. We've been in business almost 11 years now, so we've been really refining these motors, and we have a beautifully working system. And the motors themselves feature custom laminations and magnets. Features passive air cooling on both sides. It features corrosion resistant internals, custom high strength axles, and silver plated phase wires. So in addition to the custom high-end motor, we have factory 3D drilled rims. So you're not going to find this on any cheap Chinese kit that you're going to find anywhere on eBay or anything. But the 3D drilled rims allow less of a spoke angle and less breakages at the nipple that we used to see in the past. So that's a new development in the past 2 years that we changed over to. We use 12 gauge Philwood stainless steel spokes on all of our wheel builds. They're all built in-house here in Chatsworth, California. Now, the 2000 watt system runs on a 52 volt US made battery system, which is right here. And we are extremely proud to make these battery systems in-house. We make these ourselves. And they are high quality battery systems that use some of the best cells on the market. Currently we're using Sony VTC6A cells and Sanyo Panasonic 3500GA. Really high quality. Everything that we do here for the kits has a 3-year warranty. The motor itself, when you get a kit from us, 2000 watts is enough to climb pretty much any on-road hill. Especially if you give a little pedal input. So we dropped our 1000 watt systems about 2 years ago because in some cases there would be hills that you couldn't climb on a 1000 watt system. So we figured if you're going to have power, electrical power, you might as well climb all the hills you may encounter. So we dropped it, and so we start right now at a base level of 2000 watts. And the 2000 watt system has a 40 amp custom controller. The big news is that these controllers are now feature sine wave technology. So that allows the bike to be completely dead silent, way smoother, more bottom end torque, way quieter, just a way better feeling overall when you're riding your bike. It's a beautiful thing compared to the old square wave controllers, and people tell us it's probably the biggest change that we've had in the last 3 or 4 years, the most important change. The battery bags, these are the battery frame bags, and these are not your run-of-the-mill cheap Chinese bags. These are US made bags, and legitimately on the inside we have a blend of Nomex, 97% Nomex and 3% Kevlar on the inside. It's fire retardant. They're super high quality. On the other side is an open space so you can carry all your small items, your keys, your phone, your wallet, and it's just a really nice high quality bag. We use high-end cam systems. We have holes on the back and in the front for wiring to make everything clean, and so you can do a really clean job of wiring. Now the bottom itself and the sides are hard shell. They protect your battery system, so it's not just a 1000 denier nylon, which this is a 1000 denier nylon outside, but it's hard shell to protect your batteries on both sides. Now on the bottom, it's also padded, so it won't you won't be bouncing up and down your frame if you convert your frame. It's going to protect your frame. The bottom also has hard shell on the bottom to connect your controller system. So if you want to do a really clean conversion on your bike, you can actually connect the controller system just like this, run the wires through the back, and it's super clean. For your throttle system, we offer standard a half twist throttle, and it's just a basic nice easy half twist throttle. Optional, we can do a thumb throttle if you prefer that, but I would say 95% of our conversion kits go out with a half twist because it's really easy to use and reliable. We have 7-speed freewheel that comes standard on the kits. If you have 8, 9, or 10-speed bike in the rear, we have freewheels that can accommodate that. The computer system is awesome. It's the latest cycle Analyst from Grin Technology, and we've been using these for as long as we've been selling bikes and kits, which is probably around 10 years or so. They work really well, they're reliable, they're resistant to weather and rain, gives you all your readouts, gives you your efficiency, watt hours per mile, how much battery life you have left, voltage, current, how much power is going through it. It keeps track of total cycles. You can limit your power, you can limit your speed. Every kit that we sell is going to come street legal, limited to 750 watts and 20 miles an hour, but for off-road or private property, you can boost up the power to the rated levels if you desire. 3000 watt system is going to net you the same exact motor. So this motor is good for 48 volts to 72 volts nominal. So the same motor that you're going to get with it is going to come on the 3000 watt system, but what you're going to do is you're going to upgrade your battery system from a 52 volt US made to a 63 volt battery system, and you're going to also upgrade your sine wave controller to a 63 volt controller, and you're going to be running 3000 watts. So those are the two main changes when you're jumping up and boosting to 3000 watts. You're going to get 50% power increase, but you're also going to get a lot better hill climbing ability. It's just a lot more fun as you move up in the power levels. The next step is a 4000 watt system, and the 4000 watt system is going to be the same exact motor again, but you're moving up from 63 volt to 74 volt battery system, and the same with the controller. You're moving up to a 74 volt controller that can output 4000 watts continuous, and it's double the power of the 2000 watt system. It's really fun. 4000 watts starts getting really exciting. You'll start getting that feeling in your stomach when you're accelerating and drops your stomach, and it's really fun. We also do a 5000 watt system that's going to be a different motor. It's going to be a 40 millimeter magnet stack. And if you need more power, we do custom one-offs that are not on the website, 6000 and 7000 watt systems, but those really require a custom, very strong frame to handle that power. All the systems, even 2000 watt, are going to come with stainless steel torque arms, and they're thick, heavy duty. They're going to take the torque of the motor, make sure it can't over-rotate your frame and bore it out. So you're protecting your frame with the torque arms, and you need them. We give 2 torque arms, 1 for each side, if you are on a 4000 watt system or higher. The charger itself is, we just switched charger manufacturers last year. We have been getting really good reliability out of these chargers, and it's a really nice, reliable charger that can work on 100 to 240 volts, so it works internationally. So if you're out of the country, just let us know and we will get you your charge adapter to work in your country. 2000 watt system starts at $19.99, and it is a good buy for you're getting a lot of quality with this compared to the eBay systems and the Chinese bikes that won't cover you. We're giving you a 3-year warranty. We're standing behind our products. You can pick up the phone and call us and talk to us. Any questions you may have, we'll walk you through it. We do have a new live chat feature on the website that myself or Alex will be answering your questions, and we can walk you through some technical questions or issues you may have as well. The optional batteries, we can make any size battery you want. This frame bag, believe it or not, can fit up to 2,400 watt hours, which is humongous. And that's going to be more than 6 times or more than 5 times what your average battery from a normal e-bike might be. That's going to give you 110 plus mile range out of that at 20 miles an hour, no pedaling on flat ground. So you can go extremely far. It just depends how big of a battery you want to go and how much you want to spend. That is the gist of our hub motor systems. And as I said before, it's recommended for people that want to get around. They want transportation. They might want to leave the car behind. They want to get somewhere fast, smooth, quiet, ultra reliable. The great news about these systems is down the road, it's an open system. You're not married to our battery systems. If you want to get a third-party battery and you don't want to come back to us, that's totally fine. Your system will still work. I can't tell you how many people try to call us and fix their old motor systems or batteries or have proprietary systems we can't do anything to help them with. In the future, even if we are not here for some reason, you can still have a working system. They'll work with any battery system and any controller unit. You can convert your old bike, any bike you want, we can help you out. So contact us at hpcbikes.com.